Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice within your audios on KineMaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device and create a new project, or open up any of your old ones to start editing right away. Now, once you are within the timeline menu, you can import any audio clip from the audio option, or you can also record one using your microphone by tapping on the record menu. You can proceed with either one of these options, and once you have added your audios, if you wish to change the sound, then you can simply tap on this audio file and you will see various properties. Scroll down and you will find the voice changer option. Tap on this and now you will see various different presets and voices that you can change into. Tap on whichever one you prefer to use and you can hear the preview of this voice. You can just leave it enabled if you wish to set it, and then go back and your voice has now successfully been changed within your edit. You can do this with as many number of audios that you wish and continue your edits using the application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change voice within your audios on KineMaster. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.